I have brought you a good product for your home. You can see the product. Product name, Mr. Clean Multipurpose Cleaning Solution with Febreze, 128 ounces. Capacity bottle, Meadows, and Rain scent. Product description. Highlights powerful multi-surface cleaner that cuts through grease and is tougher on dirt, all around the house. Cuts through 100% of dirt, grease, and grime. Great for use on sinks, stoves, and more. Get a powerful clean and a great scent with Mr. Clean Multi-Surface Cleaner with Febreze, Meadows and Rain. It cuts through 100% of dirt, grease, and grime, leaving the light, fresh scent of Febreze, Meadows, and a Rain liquid cleaner in its dirt-forsaken place. It works all around the house on everything from linoleum, to tile and finished hardwood floors, to toilets, bathtubs, and even garbage cans. Product details. Brand, Mr. Clean. Item form, liquid. Scent, Meadows and Rain. Specific uses for product, sinks, floors, tile, toilets. Item volume, 128 fluid ounces. Unit count, 128. 0 ounces. 1. Country of origin, United States. 2. Clean and freshen your business at the same time. 3. Multipurpose liquid cleaner cuts grease, removes grime, and leaves the light, fresh scent of Febreze. 4. Use it to clean dirt and eliminate odors on linoleum as well as tile floors, toilets, and bathtubs. Thank you.